Hi everyone, it's Marissa with Bumblebee Apothecary. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make a lip balm that uses organic 100% grass-fed tallow. So I have another video where I talk about the benefits of organic 100% grass-fed beef tallow, and I'm going to link that video below for you to check out. I won't go over that all here, but just a few quick tips about it are that it is uniquely compatible with our skin and the way that our skin is made. It absorbs in and is used by our skin much easier than plant-based oils, and it's really helpful for very fast healing and soothing of skin and moisturizing. In this lip balm, it's combined with a couple other ingredients. There's cocoa butter, coconut oil, and beeswax, as well as some essential oils. The two varieties that I've made so far are lime and then also peppermint. And both of those scents give a nice zesty feel as you're using the lip balm, and they also smell really nice. I like using these tins to keep the lip balm in. For one thing, they're not plastic, they're metal. I like to avoid plastics in general, so I like it for that reason. And then also this holds 1/2 ounce, so you get a lot more than you would in like a lip balm stick. So it lasts longer and it's still small and easy to carry with you. So let's start making some. So I have my beeswax inside my heat safe pitcher here. And then I'm going to add my melted tallow balm. I'm going to have all of the exact measurements and the full written recipe on my blog, and there will be a link to that in the description box below where you can find that. So I'm just finishing adding the tallow to this. Next, I've created a double boiler with a cloth under the glass pitcher inside a pot of hot water, just bringing it to a light simmer. And as you can see, the beeswax is melting here. We just want to let it melt until you can't see any solid particles at all. You just want it to be a nice, complete liquid. Now I'm going to remove it from the heat and add the honey. So I'm just putting my measuring spoon down into the hot oil and wax mixture so that I can get it all out of the measuring spoon here. Making sure to get it all out. Honey is one of those hard things to measure. There we go. Okay, now the trick here is to make sure that the honey stays suspended within the oil and wax mixture. What it's going to want to do is to try to separate out. So you just want to whisk and whip for a while. You don't want to move it to a cool container because then the oils and wax will start to solidify too quickly. So you keep it in the pitcher here that's still hot from being in the hot water, and just whip and whisk for a while. With a fork or a little whisk would work too. And just keep doing that. It's going to gradually start to cool a bit. You want it to slowly cool while you keep mixing so that it stays suspended. And then once it's staying suspended, you can pour it into the lip balm tins. If you were making a batch of all one scent, this would be the time also to add the essential oils, but I'm actually doing several different scents here. So I'm going to wait and add the essential oils after I've poured it into the tins. Now I'm not showing this right in this video clip here, but it's best once the essential oils are in there to put it straight into the freezer. That way it can solidify while the honey is still blended in and solidified. If it's allowed to come to room temperature, if it's allowed to harden at room temperature, then sometimes the honey can try to separate out a little bit. Not always, but it can. So just putting it in the freezer to harden will help prevent that. Now I'm adding the essential oils. For a milder essential oil, you can do 3 drops for a 1/2 ounce tin. For milder essential oils, you can do 6 drops, and then for stronger, more potent essential oils, 3 drops per 1/2 ounce tin is good. Again, I'll have all this information in the written recipe, so you don't have to try to remember it as you're watching the video. Just mixing that into each tin here so it's nice and blended. are once they've solidified. You can see it's a nice, even, hard lip balm. Smells beautiful and it feels so nice. Alright, I hope that you enjoyed seeing that, and I hope that you give it a try and make some lip balm for yourself. I'm going to link the ingredients and equipment that I use in the description box below. If you'd rather not make it yourself, I have a shop where I sell the things that I make, and this is available there, and I'm going to link that below as well. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps more people find it. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I make new videos every week on how to make organic, handcrafted skincare, and I like to talk about healthy lifestyle tips. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.